Welcome back to the Tattooed Chef. Today we're making something light, crispy, and actually pretty healthy. Seed-crusted chicken tenders with blueberry tomato and cucumber salad. Sounds fancy, but don't worry. You can shake a pan, you can slice a cucumber, you can handle this. Let's get cooking before I eat it all raw. Here's the lineup. Chicken, the crunchy seed armor, that makes you pretend that you're actually eating healthy while eating fresh food.
It's all about balance, right? Let's do it right.
First we're getting the liqueur going. Just pour it over the boiling water. Give it a quick stir and cover it so it can soak up. This is what I call the chicken's red carpet moment right here after I crusted it up. And, they say to put it in the oven, but I'm going to give it a little bit of fry first, nice and crispy, before I throw it in the oven for a few minutes. Oh yeah, buddy. I want to get a little golden brown there.
Should I end it when everything's in there?
You're going to love it. That's what we want. Liqueur is ready. Nice and fluffy, toss it all in. We're going to toss it all in here. We're going to put a little olive oil and a little lemon if you have some. Maybe a lot. We're going to start loading up the salad. It's colorful, simple, something you actually want to eat, even if you don't like salad. We're going to plate the bulgur in the salad.
And then we're gonna buy chicken tenders. Nice little sauce. And that's our reward.
Looking good. What I made for you today.